Meet Jonah.
I'm a Hebrew, and I worship the Lord of the God of the sea and the land, and I run away from him.
Come on Jonah's emotional journey. With joy in your heart.
God, where's your enthusiasm?
And sadness in your soul.
Are we nearly there yet?
Filled with fear. Disgust.
Ugh, don't let them slimy, limey touch us. They're so unclean.
And lots of anger issues.
I'm going to my room!
Jonah's Ups and Downs, coming out May 12th.